Welcome to the Mirage Hotel. Now, this is a small room tour. This is the door. This is where you place your card to open. Then you get a wardrobe. On this other side is the toilet. You can see, very nice. We have the sink here, the mirror, the toilet, the shower there. Very nice. Let me take you to the bed. Now on this side we have the TV, study there. This is my personal belongings there. Then you get the massive bed. Wow. We have the AC there. This is the interior. Then we have a massive window and a very stunning look of the city, KISUMU. Let me open this. You can see the city there and the lake over there. Yeah. Morning KISUMU. There is the KISUMU town early in the morning. We have the lake over there. Yeah, let me zoom. You can see the ferry here. Wow, amazing. There's the ferry. There's the lake. The horizon you see. Oh my, wonderful. Wonderful. Beautiful city. KISUMU city. Wow.